The natural world is full of wonders, both big and small. We often marvel at the giants of the animal kingdom, but what about the tiniest creatures? Join me as we delve into the daily routines, unique behaviors, and incredible survival strategies of the bumblebee bat, the bee hummingbird, and the Cypress fish. These miniature marvels have adapted to their environments in extraordinary ways. Their small size presents unique challenges, but also offers distinct advantages. Let us embark on a journey into the fascinating lives of these tiny creatures, prepared to be amazed by the resilience and ingenuity of the world's smallest mammal, bird, and fish. Deep inside the limestone caves of Southeast Asia lives the bumblebee bat, the world's smallest mammal. This tiny creature, no larger than a bumblebee, weighs less than a dime. Its day is a delicate balancing act between conserving energy and finding enough food to survive. As dawn breaks, the bumblebee bat retreats to the safety of its roost, huddling with its colony in the deepest, darkest recesses of the cave. The bat's heart rate slows and its body temperature drops, conserving energy during the day when insects are scarce. As dusk approaches, the bumblebee bat stirs from its slumber. It's time to hunt. The bat emerges from its cave and takes to the air, using echolocation to locate its prey. Insects are on the menu tonight. The bumblebee bat flits through the forest, catching insects in mid-air with its sharp teeth. After a few hours of hunting, the bat returns to its roost with a full stomach. It will spend the rest of the night resting and digesting its meal. In the sunny tropical forests of Cuba, the bee hummingbird flits among the blossoms. This tiny bird, weighing less than a dime, is a marvel of nature. Its day is a whirlwind of activity, fueled by a need for constant sustenance. As the first rays of dawn touch the forest canopy, the bee hummingbird wakes from its slumber. It's time to refuel. The bird darts from flower to flower, sipping nectar with its forked tongue, beating its wings up to 80 times per second to hover in midair. The bee hummingbird is fiercely territorial, defending its feeding grounds from rivals with aggressive displays and aerial chases. The male performs elaborate courtship rituals, flying in intricate patterns and flashing its iridescent throat feathers. If successful, he will mate with a female, and she will build a tiny nest from spider silk and plant fibers. As the afternoon sun sets, the bee hummingbird feeds voraciously, storing enough energy to survive the cool night. As darkness descends, the bird retreats to its roost, perching precariously on a slender twig, ready to begin another busy day. The Cypress, a tiny fish found in the peat swamps of Southeast Asia, is a master of survival in a challenging environment. This minuscule fish, measuring less than a centimetre long, is a testament to the adaptability of life. As dawn breaks over the peat swamp, the Cypress seeks refuge among the submerged roots and leaf litter. The water is acidic and low in oxygen, but the Cypress has adapted to these harsh conditions. It remains hidden during the day, avoiding predators and conserving energy. As the sun climbs higher, the Cypress ventures out to feed, grazing on microorganisms that thrive in the nutrient-rich peat. Its small size allows it to maneuver through the tangled vegetation and access food sources that are unavailable to larger fish. As dusk approaches, the Cypress seeks out a mate, fertilizing the female's eggs externally among the submerged vegetation. The Cypress's life cycle is short and precarious, but its remarkable adaptations have allowed it to thrive in one of the world's most challenging environments. The diminutive size of the bumblebee bat, the bee hummingbird and the Cypress might seem like a disadvantage, but it offers several surprising benefits. Their small bodies require less energy to function, allowing them to survive on limited food resources. Their agility and maneuverability make them adept at navigating complex environments and evading predators. Moreover, their small size allows them to exploit ecological niches that are unavailable to larger creatures. The bumblebee bat can access insects hiding in narrow crevices. The bee hummingbird can feed on nectar from flowers that are too small for larger birds. The Cypress can navigate the labyrinthine underwater world of the peat swamp. These tiny creatures are living proof that size isn't everything in the animal kingdom. The bumblebee bat, the bee hummingbird, and the pediocypress might be small, but their impact on their ecosystems is significant. They play vital roles as pollinators, seed dispersers, and prey animals. Their presence contributes to the intricate web of life that sustains our planet. Their stories remind us that even the smallest creatures can have a profound impact on the world around them. Let us remember the importance of protecting these tiny creatures and their habitats. By understanding and appreciating the smallest members of our planet's biodiversity, we can help ensure a healthy and vibrant future for all.